Hey guys, these spring onions were delicious. So delicious that I'm willing to see if I can give these a second life. Nah, I'm not using any fancy tools. I got this stick and it works just fine. And I'm gonna plant these right into this pot of peppers. Call it companion planting if you want. Whatever works. There's space, there's dirt, there's a room for these spring onions. We're gonna see if it will grow. If it doesn't, hey, no loss here. I'm just gonna see what I can get. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I know. Most of you probably would have just thrown these in the trash. No, nothing beats failure but a try. Hey, like I said, if it works, it works. It's worked for me before, so why not? I'll try it. Just put it in the dirt and let Mother Nature do her work. Ooh. We just gonna pull these little wild weeds out of here because, honey, you do not belong. You are not invited to the party. You need to get out of my pot. As for you, sweet green onion, hey, we try to fail. We don't fail to try. That's for sure. Now you stay right there. I'll be checking on you.